Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely. Y'all, I'm so excited! I'm so excited, hey! And I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Hey, okay. My happy planner order came in today. Even though, technically, I ordered 2 more things after this, but shh, we ain't gonna tell nobody. So I just pulled the shipping label off because I ain't want to go through all that problems of whiting everything out. But I opened it, but I did not move anything. I just opened it and looked. It was like, I'm so excited. But I held myself off and I waited. I told myself this would be my reward after cleaning up my house today. And I'm about 90% clean. So, hey, gotta give myself what credit is due. And we gonna reward ourselves with looking inside the box. Okay, let me stop all that talking. Deep breaths. Okay. Ooh, child. Wait a minute now. Okay. So here she is, y'all, and hopefully I can get her to stay open while we go through some things. Whew. Okay, so I just want to start off by saying I only bought 1 planner. I only bought 1 planner. Even though I said I wouldn't go buy no more planners or change up my lineup or any of that, I lied. What you gonna do, shoot me? I can't help it. Gosh, I've been looking at this planner since it came out. And I was trying to hold myself back, but oh my gosh. Here she is. Oh, she cute. And let me just say that Happy Planner, y'all own it now. Y'all finally listening about the disc. And honestly, I'll probably end up selling these discs on Facebook Marketplace, or I'll end up giving them away or something, because I don't, if you know me, you know I don't do the classic disc, but look at her, she's cute. Okay, so we just gonna, should I take her out the packaging? I mean, why not? Why not? Oh, she's so cute. And she doesn't start till August because technically this is the student planner. But I mean, I couldn't just let her go away. And it's a 12-month planner too. So this will take me all the way till next July. And then I may just redate my Wild Style if I don't end up finding another planner by then, you know. Who knows what Happy Planner is gonna come out with. I mean, it's not my fault. And then I got this planner cover because I wanted to get this cover a long time ago. And I don't know why, I just forgot all about it. Honestly, that's horrible, but I wanted to get all of them to support. So I don't know when I'm gonna put this on just quite yet. But I do like this cover. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. And this was the Black Lives Matter, one of the collaborations with one of the artists after, you know, Happy Planner got their little whooping from social media about the Black Lives Matter stuff. So this is Rochelle Porter, and it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. And then, oh, I got a smiley face. And then this is, oh, so this cover, I've already decided where I'm going to put this cover, y'all. I've already decided. I'm going to put this cover on my Faith Planner just because this cover is called The Spoonful of Faith. And I mean, really, you're only supposed to have the faith of a mustard seed. And if you don't know how small a mustard seed is, I challenge you, go straight to your nearest Wally World, Aldi, Smith's, Kroger, what's the other, Publix, whichever one is in your area. And go look at the mustard seeds and tell me that ain't a word. I'm just saying. But yeah, I'm going to put this on my Warbinder planner, and she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. And then I got, okay, y'all. So, y'all don't talk about me now because I was like, I don't know why everybody buys the folios and the covers and all that. I don't get it. Why they waste their money? You're not even going to use it. Okay, so I lied. And I got me one of these planner sleeves, and it's cute. And honestly, I think my MacBook can fit. Hold on right quick. Let me see. Now I know I'll probably have to take, oh, it might be a tight squeeze, but I may be able to get her in there. But I was thinking that maybe I can get my MacBook to fit in this. But either way, I'm definitely going to be putting a planner in here. Don't judge me, don't judge me, don't judge me, don't judge me. I think these are perfect for travel and stuff. So when I, go meet up with my planner bestie or whatnot, I'll have a cover. So I got that. And then this I got, this I got for my work planner. So that I can keep it in here when I carry it around, because currently right now, only thing I wish is this had some kind of band, like on the side, like a holder, almost like, back in the day when grandma and them would put their Bible in the little Bible cover. That's kind of what I wish, that it had a little band that you could carry with. But this is still cute. She's still cute, and I'm gonna use this for work. Just because we're supposed to be a paperless facility, but I still need to write things down. So that's what I'm going to plan on using this one for. And then all the sticker books. So let me move this box so we can get into it. That box was a little heavy. So honestly, if you want to keep it all the way 100, or as my older brother says, 1,000 wow. Oh, let me turn this brightness down because y'all ain't gonna be able to see. Now that looks super dark. Well, I tried. Zoom y'all in. Okay. So, this is the stack of sticker books that I got. And I actually didn't get a lot. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 6 sticker books, which is not a lot at all. I got the new Wild Style sticker book just because I like these peachy tones, and I plan on, doing some things, possibly. And then I got the Mega Bright sticker book. I've kind of been eyeing this and waiting for this to go on sale somewhere for me to get it. I do like this sticker book. I mostly got this because if you know me, you know that, where is that? And watch it be on the other side. After I don't flip. Yes, it is. Why am I always putting all this clear plastic stuff together? You know that I like colorful boxes, and this book has some colorful boxes up in here, So that is why I got this, was for the fact that there was the colorful boxes. And when you have these mega sticker books, say you go out of town, you can just pack this and be just as happy and content. And it just has a lot of decorative stickers that you can add in with other spreads. And then I also got this Reach for the Stars. This sticker book came out with the summer back to school release. I don't know what they're officially calling it, but the back to school release, the Wild Style and the Reach for the Stars came out with those. I can't wait to do a spread with this. This gives me like boho, free spirit, stargazer vibes all combined into one. But let me just tell Happy Planner something real quick. Just a little sidebar. Happy Planner, we are tired of y'all recycling names to sticker books. You got 2 Wild Styles, you had 2 Stargazers, 2 Homebodies. We need y'all to get it together. We done gave y'all this year to get your little design team together after they done left y'all. Now I need y'all to get it together, okay? Okay, thank you. But yes, I can't wait to do a spread with this, girl. I'm excited. And then the book that started it all, and y'all know I had to get 2 copies because who would I be if I didn't get 2 copies of a book I fell in love with? The Plant Mama sticker book. And let me tell you why I got 2 copies. If I find a sticker book that I know that I like and my girlfriend is gonna like a lot, I automatically just get 2 of them, because the way our planning is set up, it'll be just my luck that I'll go looking for a sticker that I know is in this sticker book and can't find it because she done already used it in her planner. So that's why I usually get 2. And I'm excited to use this, y'all. I'm excited. And you know what I'm gonna pair it with? I'm gonna pair it with my love. Be Happy box stickers. Yes. The spread for that is going to be everything. Everything. And then the last sticker book I got is the stickers. Lord have mercy. It's the pastel sticker book. And I got this one for the same reason that I got the bright sticker book, but also because when my planner bestie bought these sticker books, she had gave me some of the loose, because there's duplicates in here. So she had gave me some of her duplicates, and I did some spreads with them, but I also saved some spreads. And I really wanted this page again because I still have some mermaids, and I wanted to do another mermaid spread like I did last time. And yeah, I wanted the Under the Sea vibes. And then also because the circles and the colorful boxes, like you can't go wrong with the colorful boxes. I mean, so that's why I also purchased this sticker book. And I think we're gonna make it do what it do, boo. Here goes some more of that plastic in my way. But I'm excited with the versatility that I'm gonna be able to do with some of these spreads. I'm really excited, you guys. I'm really excited. Like, honestly, if you have the mega sticker books, there's really no reason for you to buy the other sticker books unless you just really want a theme. Because these right here, you can do multiple spreads just within this book. But yes, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. And like I said, just about everything I got was on sale except for, or no, am I about to tell a lie? Yeah, I'm about to tell a lie. The only things that were on sale were the mega books, and I'm going to show you exactly what was on sale. These were the items in the middle. These were the items that were on sale. And then these sticker books I paid full price. The planner folio I paid full price. And the blush planner cover pack thing. What is the actual title? Because I done called this thing about 4 different things. Planner sleeves. Lord have mercy. The blush planner sleeve. That is all something separate. Those were all full price. But thank you guys for watching my haul, y'all. And I'm gonna be honest and I'm gonna tell y'all what I bought. So I got the Colorful Leopard folio, and I bought another Spoonful of Faith cover because I'm gonna do something with that. But yes, so that's what I got, and I am so excited to put all this in my stash and start planning with it. Girl, I'm about to do some things. I'm about to be cute, y'all. I'm about to be cute. I'm about to be cute. I'm about to be cute. My planner about to have all the goodness, honey, all up it. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.